2. No good. Rebound by White. Pitate. Taking the ball. 5 on a shot clock. 3 points by Pitate. Score is 5-3. Magnayo bringing the ball for count. Pass to 18. Back to 18. Pass to Magnayo. Takes the 3. No good. Rebound by 24. Football pass to number 16 to 22 points by number 23. 7-3. First. Magandang hapon po kay Commissioner Sherwin Tumanti. Tokopral takes the 2. No good. Rebound by number 24. Number 20, 16 on the pass break. Bring the ball. You pass. It's a 2-point by number Comilla. I think. Comilla. Mr. Magnayo on the half court. Pass to Pamatigan. Pamatigan. To Magnayo for 3. Good for 3 points by Chooks Magnayo. 9-6 our score. First reason. Foul. Who's foul left? Foul number 24, hitting foul. 18, shooting for 2. 8:43 on the clock. 9-6 leads by 9. First throw. No good. Last throw for number 18. Score 20-16. Takes the 3. No good. Rebound by Magnayo. Magnayo on the line now. Magnayo 2. Pass to Pamatigan. Pamatigan takes the 3 and shot. No good. Rebound by number 18. Pampick. Good for 2 points. Our score is deadlock. Pitate on the pass break. Takes the 3. No good. Rebound by 18. Pass to Chooks Magnayo. Magnayo bringing the ball. Side step. Floater. No good. Rebound by 28. Pass to 16. Pass to Comilla. Comilla on the run. Stamp ball 28. Good for 2 point. Magandang hapon po kayo, Mr. Astin Skilla. Pamatigan. Setting the play for Dark. 11-9 our score to number 18. Pabig good for 2 point by Mr. Hernandez. Deadlock again. 28 bringing the ball for life. 7-19 on the clock. Kabuhan takes the 3. No good. Rebound by number 18. 18-2. On the pass break now, number 7 on the floater, no good. Rebound by 28-16. 7 minutes on the clock. Pitate on the 3. Good for 3 point for Mr. Pitate. Mr. Cabral, Pamatigan. 6:45 on the clock, gentlemen. 15 on the shot clock. 17-5. Magnayo takes the 3. Napaibig. No good. Rebound by Number 28 bringing the ball forward. Papasa kaya, pinasa sa number 3. No good. Rebound. Nag-agawan. Nakuha ang Chooks Magnaye. Pinasa number 7 on the break. 18. Takes the 2. No good. Nag-agawan ang bola. 18. Nakuha ulit. Tumira. It's a 2-point for number 18. 14 to 13 our score. 6 and 8 on the clock. Pitate 16, no good. Rebound by Pamatigan. Pamatigan now. On the break. Pamatigan. Tumira ng toss. 2-point. Mandatory substitution. Score is 15 to 14 by Dart. Testing na. Second foul. Light ball. Light ball. Light ball po. Light ball. 15 to 14 our score. Mr. Asterisk, magandang hapon po po sa aking pinsan. Double asterisk ka. Bago pa ang sapatos. 15 to 11. Open the play. Grantosa. Nag-iisip. Drumay. Pinasa na ko ni Chavez. Pinasa kay Idol Balik. Balingaw. Taking the ball for Dart. Balik. Pinasa sa light ball. Miscommunication for the Dart. Back to Kabuhaw. Bringing down the ball for Light. Number 14, Ito. Pinasa sa gitna. 13. 2 points by number 13. Burrado. Chavez. To her number 13. Chavez. Pinasa sa ilalim. Castillo. To Talag. 12 second on shot clock. Side step. Post jumper. No good. Rebound by Balik. Castillo. Tumira ng toss. Lagpas. Di Chavez. Good for 2-point. Good back for 99. 17-16 our score. Pass play to Ilagan. Ilagan. Tumira ng press. No good. Rebound by 45. Hernandez. Football pass to Agaw. Pinasa sa 15. 15 on the run. Grantosa. Side step. Pinasa sa gitna. Ronnie Ilagan ng 2 points by Mr. Ilagan. 18-17 our score. Nakalalag. Pass to Talag. Di Chavez. Setting the play for Dart. Pinasa kay Bale. Castillo, there's the whistle. Who's foul? Foul number 13. Free throw for Dart. Shooting full for Mr. Castillo. Basket down. Second throw for Mr. Bale Castillo. Last shot, no good. Rebound by Ite. Pinasa. 15. To number 14, Ite, 2 points by Mr. Ite. Makalalag na on the run for Dart. To Bale Castillo. Pass to Makalalag. No good. Follow up, no good. Makalalag takes the rebound, setting the play. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 14. 99. No good. Rebound by Ilagan. To Ilagan on the break. No good by 11. Talag. Rebound to Makalalag. Setting the play for Dart. Makalalag takes the 3. No good. Rebound by Grantosa for the Light. Tumatakbo po ang Light. Side step. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by Makalalag for the Blue. Pass to Castillo. Castillo. Makalalag. no good. Rebound by Ilagan to Ite. Ite, pull-up jumper, no good. In and out, rebound by Pinasari, pamulong talag. No good, lumabas. Pass to Ite, for the line. Pinasa sa gitna, Raton, no good. Rebound by Rizal Rizal, loose ball, light ball. 2 and 17 on the clock, gentlemen, 2 and 17. 22-17 ang score. Grantosa, napaibig sa 3-point, no good. Nagawa ng rebound, nakuha ni Vic Chavez. Vic Chavez now for the dart. To Mr. Castillo, no good. Nagawa ng bola, nakuha ng Paulong Talag. 14, pass to Vic Chavez. To Balik, takes 2, no good. In and out. Pass break now, 2-14, 3 light on the floor, good for 2 points. 22-17. 1 and 43 on the clock. Dale Castillo. To Mr. Vic Chavez, reverse shot, 2 points for Vic Chavez. Magandang hapon po ng Chumay. Bless you. Mga Astris player. Grantosa, to Ilagan. Sa anak ni Chester, tumira ng 3, no good. Rebound by number. To Pangulong Talag, takes the 3, in and out. Rebound by Torado now. Pass to Ilagan. Ilagan, nagmamadali. 3-on-2 situation. Pinasa sa 13, loses the ball. Nakuha ng Makalalag. Makalalag now for the light. Dark, sorry. Castillo takes the ball, takes the 2, and no good. Rebound by number 3. Follow up is a good for 2 points. 50 seconds on the shot. 21-22. 1.85 light. Ilagan. Pasa sa ilalim. Ite on the board. No good. In and out. Nakuha ni Vic Chavez. Nakuha ng bola. Light ball. 36 seconds. 22-21 ang score. Ilagan on the inbound. Ite. Binalik kay Ilagan. Pinasa sa anak. Grantosa. Binalik kay Ite. Takes the shot. Boarding shot. Good for 2.23 seconds on the clock. Makalalag. Tumatakbo ng isa. Makalalag. 16 seconds on our game time. 14. Castillo. Taking the time for that. Last 9 seconds. 5 on the clock. Makalalag takes the 3. No good. Rebound by Talag. Basket count by the referee. 24-33 our score for the first quarter of the game. 1.8 by Light. Dark ball. 24-33 in favor of Light. Pumasok na si Mr. Astris Jukia. Number 7 to number 9. Pamatigan. Magkayet. Nilabas. Pinasa kay Mr. Astris. Pumira ng 3. 3 points for Mr. Kia. 26-24 now. Ilagan. No good. Nagkawan. Nakuha rin. Kumia. 2 points by Kumia. It's a 10 clock. Magnayo for the dark. Pass to Kamatigan. Kamatigan now. Magnayo. Kumita ng 3. No good. Nagagawa ng bola. Nakuha ni Hernandez. Pinasa kay Kamatigan. Bumig. Kay Gia now. 3 points by Mr. Gia. Back-to-back 3 points by Mr. Astris. Petate on the half court. To Kumia. Kumia now. 25. Pass to 7. Below. Same ball by our referee. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Kumiya. Boarding shot good for 2 point by Mr. Kumiya. 28-29 in favor of Card. Magnaye, nagbababa ng bola. Sigiya, pumik. Pamatigan. Nag-iisip. Magnaye, James. Binalik kay Gia sa gilid. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Gia on the 3-point line again. No good this time. Nakuha ng number 7. Press 40. Magnaye to Hernandez. Takes the 2. No good. Nagawa ng bola. Nakuha ni Kumiya. Pinapik. Nakuha ni Ilagan. Pass break now. Good for 2 point by Mr. Jeff Ilagan. 32-29. In favor of Light. To James Pamatigan. Popping. There's a reset. It's a blocking foul. Over our referee. Number 2. Blocking foul. 9:38 on our clock. 50 na shot clock. Magnaye, drive sa gitna. Boarding shot, no good. Agawa ng bola na ko ni Mr. Jeff Ilagan on the break now. Ilagan. 2 point by Mr. Jeff Ilagan. 32-29 by Light. Gia. Bababa ng bola. Pinasa kay Mr. Hernandez. To Pamatigan. Shot step. Stop. Pinasa kay Gia, nag-drive, tumira ng toss, in and out. Nakuha ng number 16, Light on the run now. 16, Tatate, sa gitna. Aliyot sa Nigunia. 16, to the arc, no good. Rebound by Pamatigan. On the run, nakuha ng Gia. Drive kaya, tumay, no good. Rebound by Pamatigan. There's a whistle. Foul number 16. Hitting foul. 8 minutes on our game time. 14 seconds on our shot clock. Hernandez inbounding the ball. Forward card. To Pamatigan. Tumira ng press na paibek. No good rebound by Gia. Put back. Loses the ball. There's no whistle. Hernandez tumira. There's a whistle. A 3 seconds score by our referee ng Peter Guerra. Light ball. 32-29. Kumiya, nagpababa ng bola. Pinasa sa nakuha ni Hernandez. Pinigay kay Magnaye. Aldaran. Magnaye. Pinigay na kakampi Hernandez. Trumay. There's a whistle. Who's foul red? Foul number 25. Pushing foul. Hernandez, first ball. No good. Light, 2 team fouls for Light. Last stop for Mr. Hernandez. Second throw, no good. Rebound kay Hernandez ulit. Umik, walang whistle, nakuha ng number 16. Binababa ang bola para sa Light. 32-29 ang score, 16. Tekate. Nagtapikan, napunta kay Gerald Ite. Stop jump, 2 point by Mr. Ite. 34-29 in favor of Light. 7-10 on our game time. Biglia, Jumay, pinasa ay Pamatigan. Magnaye, no good. Rebound by Gia. Wait, there's a whistle. A traveling ball by our referee. Light ball. 6:45 on the clock. Number 25, nagbababa ng bola para sa Puti. Pinasa sa gitna na ko ni Mr. Gia. Tumatakbo si Mr. Gia for the guard. Takes the 3 point by Mr. Gia. 34-32 score. Ilagan. Nagbababa ng bola para sa Light. Pinasa sa gitna ko niya tonight. At basket count. Who's foul there? Foul number 2. Number 9, basket count, hitting foul. 7 for the bonus shot. No good. Rebound by Hernandez. Tumagnaye. 6 minutes are on our game time. Chutigia. 3-point again by Mr. Counted and there's mandatory substitution. 36-35. Still in favor by Light by 1 point. Lalaro na si Mr. Castles. Light ball. 36-35. Gentlemen in favor of Light. 6 minutes on the game time. Light ball. To number 28. Kabuhan, provide. Pinapagod na pumik. 24 hook shot. No good. Rebound by Makalala. To Makalala. 2-on-1 now. 45, Mr. Bali Castillo, no good. Rebound by 24, for the line. Takes the drive, 2 points by number 24. Yan, Mendoza, Makalala to Mr. Castillo, baseline jump, 2 points by Mr. Castillo. 38-37. A 1-point lead by Light. Ite, bringing the ball for Light. 28. Free throw jump, no good. Nagagawa ng bola na nakuha ni Vic Chavez. Pinasa kay Mr. Chumals now on the ball. Tumakalalag. Baseline drive, umikot. Light ball. 4:52 on the clock. A 1-point lead by Light. To number 28. To 24. 2 points by number 24. Number 0, football pass number 45. Makalala na the baseline. Wait for his teammate, Dick Chavez. Makalala on the arc. Pass to Makalala. 45 takes the 3. No good. Rebound by number 24. Light on the run now. Mendoza. Time stepping of boarding shot. 2 points by Mr. Mendoza. Football pass to Cougar player Dick Chavez. Good for 2 points. 44-37. Wala pong substitution. 3:54. Kabuhan. 28. 39-44. Our score. Pass break. 2 points by Mr. Makalala. It's a 1-point game now. 3 minutes on the clock. No good. Rebound by Makalala. 45. No good. Rebound by 28-15. Grantosa. Napaibig. 2 points by Mr. Grantosa. 44-41. 15 to Mr. Castillo. Baseline jump. 2 points by Mr. Castillo. On the arc, no good. Rebound, punta kay Mendoza. Mendoza umikot. Rebound by Dick Chavez. To Makalala. Football pass to Makalala. No good. Number 24, good for 2 points. 45 now on the break. Run. Bali Castillo. No good. Rebound by Ite. Nasa sa 24. Mendoza. Nagtapit na ng bola na kuha ni Mr. Bali Castillo. Binigay kay Chumar. Tumira ng 3. 3-point by Mr. Timeout. Light. Deadlock. Game time. Lantosa, binalik sa number 28. Bring the ball for Light. Kabuhay. Pinasa na ko ng mga lalag. Throwing pass to number 45. On the break, 2 points by Mr. Nakalala. 2-point lead by Card, 48-46. Last 1 and 49 on the game time. Ite, pick. Kumira ng 40. Lumabas. Nakuha ni Di Chavez. Di Chavez. Nakuha ni Ite. Drives. No good. Tapi na ng bola. Nakuha ni Di Chavez. Pinalik kay Makalalat. Makalalat na. What the God? Pinasa na Kuya Bali. Baseline jump. 2 points by Mr. Castillo. 50-46 in favor of Dart. Lantosa. Pinasa. Nakuha ni Makalalat. Pinato. Nakuha ni Kuya Bali. Castillo. Free throw jump. No good. Resolution. Foul number 3. Pushing foul. Light ball. Sorry, dark ball. 1 minute on the clock. Dark ball. Castillo, baseline jump. No good. Di Chavez. Basket down. Who's foul up? Foul number 15. Basket down. Bonus shot for Di Chavez. 52-46. No good. Rebound by Di Chavez. Castillo. Bumitaw. 2 points by Mr. Castillo. 47 seconds on the second quarter. 54-46. Mendoza. Tumira ng 3. No good. Tapi ka ng bola. Nakuha ng 28. Baseline. Nakuha ng number 3. Makalalat, tumatakbo, pinasa sa kagalit, baseline tape, Makalalat, 2 points by Makalalat. 20 seconds on the game time. Yung number 28 for the Light. Buses na ball ako ng number 13. Kumihit. Nawala ang bola. 8 seconds. Kabuhay. No good. Rebound ako ng number 3. Pass to. Nawala ang bola. 56-46 our score. 10-point lead by Dart for our end of the second quarter. Third foul for our game today. Echo Tubox versus Team Gold. Third quarter. Light ball. Ilagan, setting the play for Light. Pinasa kay Itate. Ite, number 11 on the 3. Air ball, nakuha na number 17, Pamatiga. Magnayo. For Dart, setting the play for Dart. Pinasa kay James Pamatigan. Panguling alag. Light ball. Dark ball, sorry. 14 on the shot clock. Talag. Pinasa kay Pamatigan. Talag. Pitch. Pinasa kay James. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ng number 16. Itate. Ilagan. Nawala ang bola. Dark ball. Magnayo, setting the play for Dart. 56-46 ang score. To Pamatigan. Magnayo, tumira ng 3. 3-point by Mr. Magnayo. 59-46. For Dart. Ilagan. Nagkagalaw ng bola. 2-point shot, in and out, agawa ng bola, nakuha ng Pipila. Pinasa kay Magnaye. Setting the play for Tart. Pass to Hernandez. No good. Rebound by Comilla. Petate bringing the ball for light. It's a 3-on situation. Petate takes the 3. No good. Rebound by Magnaye. Magnaye. Pinasa kay Hernandez. Pamatigan. Setting the play for Tart. Mr. Magnaye. Tumira ng press. No good. Agawa ng bola. Nakuha ng Comilla kay Petate. Ilagan. On the run now. Ilagan. Pinasa kay Petate. Pinilig kay Ilagan. 2-point by Ilagan. 59-48. Start still in favor. Pamatigan. Pinilig kay Gia. Tumira ng press. 3-point by Mr. Dudia. 62-48 our score. Ilagan. Petate. Trumay. Falling shot. Good point Mr. Petate. 62-50 our score. 12-point lead by Tart. Magnaye. Bringing the ball for Tart. Pinasa kay Pamatigan. Napaibigtang press. No good. Nakuha ni Comilla. Pinasa kay Petate. Line on the run. Ilagan now. Ilagan. Binalik kay Petate. Tumira ng press. 3-point by Mr. Petate. 62-53 our score. A 9-point lead by Tart. Magnaye. Setting the table for Tart. Pinasa kay Gia. Gia. Magnaye on the arc. Drumay sa gitna. Pinasa kay Talag on baseline jump. No good. Rebound by Magnaye. Follow up by Magnaye. No good. Petate. Setting the play. Ilagan on the arc. Petate. Tumira ng press. No good. Rebound by Gia. Pinasa kay Magnaye. Loses the ball. Napunta kay Ilagan. Ilagan now on the break. Mr. Ite. Number 11. Ilagan on the 3. Umiro. Sumot na nga by Mr. Liam. Ilagan. 62-56 our score. Third quarter. Magnaye set the play. 18 on the drive. First on Wiesel. Foul on number 23. 18. Two free throws for 18. First one. No good. Last throw for Mr. Hernandez. No good. Bulak daw. Pinasa kay Ilagan. Ilagan. Brumay. Pinalik kay Comilla. 2-point by Mr. Comilla. 62-58 our score. 4-point lead by Tart. Magnaye. Naglarap ng papasahan. Pinalik kay Gia. Tumira ng tres. Sala. Nakuha ni Mr. Ronnie Ilagan. Nakuha ni Comilla. Binilig kay Mr. Ilagan. Setting the play for light. 7-26 on our game time. Ilagan. Ite on the cut. Pinasa kay Comilla sa ilalim. No good. Rebound by Gia. Gia on the run now. Gia tumatakbo. Gia. Side stepping umikot. Gusto Wiesel. There's a foul. Foul on number 9. 18. Foul on in 18. Two shot by number 9. First throw, good. 1 point. Number 5, rebound, takes the 3. No good. Nakuha ni Mr. Petate. Petate. Bring the ball for light. Brumay. 2-point by Mr. Petate. 63-60. 6:45 in time. James. Haras by number 16. Number 17. Pumihit. Maharap ang papasahan. Pinag tayo. Pinasa kay Mr. Gia. Dive step. no good. Rebound by Iya. There's a whistle. There's a foul. Foul on number 16. Holding foul. Iya shooting for 2. 6 and 22 on our clock. Iya first goal. Good for 1 point. Second shot. Bagong sapatos. Number 9. Completed at 2 points. 65-60 our score. 6:20 on our game time for the third quarter of the game. Ilaga setting the play for Light. Liang through knife sa baseline. Kate pinasa sa tatay. Drive. Binigay ko Mia. No good. Rebound. Nagtapi ka na ng shoot. Binato. 3 points shot for Talag. No good. Rebound by Magnaye. Magnaye pinasa kay Mia. Nasa reason. There's a foul. Bruce foul net. Foul on number 7. Keeping foul. Mandatory substitution. Iwan na ang number 9. Pasok po yung apat sa guard. Pasok po yung apat. Pagka-basket count, papalitan si Mr. Dia. Dia, shooting for first throw. Counter. Second throw for Mr. Dia. Substitution for Mr. Dia. Labas muna. 67-60. With 25, taking the ball for Light. 7-point lead by Dart. Kabuhan, pinasa sa ilalim. Loses the ball, 35, nakuha. Makalalag, binato. Pinasa sa nakuha na number 25. Tumatakbo po ang puti. 25, binigay kay Jeff Ilagan. No good. Rebound by Mr. Makalalag. Kung Makalalag. Now, takes the 3-point. No good. Rebound, nakuha. Nako, pinasa kay Jeff Ilagan ngayon. Binalik kay Ite. 2 points by Mr. Ite. 67-62 our score. 5 and 10 on game time. Number 7 to Eman Cabral. Tumira ng 3. No good. Agawan ng bola. Nakuha ng number 7. 7 now. Naku, binigay kay Eman. Makalalag. Pinasa sa ilalim. Eman Cabral. Nilabas. Makalalag sa labas. 3-point by Mr. Makalalag. 70-62 our score. Pomia, pinasa kay Ilagan. Jump kick. Ibantay, pinasa sa ilalim. Drive. No good. Rebound by the Chavez. Nakuha na number 45. Makalalag. On the arc. Takes the 3. No good. Rebound by Jeff Ilagan. Pinasa kay Pomia. Ilagan, bringing the ball for Light. Kick, pinaka shot clock. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ng Makalalag. 2-on-1 situation. Makalalag. Binigay kay Makalalag. Setting the play for Tal. Waiting for his teammate. Pinasa sa number 7. Pinasa kay Cabral. 2-point by Mr. Cabral. At 10-point lead by Tal. Pass to Ite. Baseline drive. No good. Rebound by number 0. Makalalag. Pisano sa number 7. Pinasa Makalalag. Jack. 45. 2-point by number 45. 74-62 our score. The third quarter of the game. Cornea setting the play for the night. Nilabas kay Ilagan. On the arc, no good. Rebound by the Chavez. Ipinagawa ang bola. Nakuha number 45. 2-point by number 45. 76-62 our score. 3 minutes on the clock. 28. Tumira sa press. No good. Rebound by 13. Baseline jump. No good. There's no whistle. Foul on number 0. Hitting foul. Double foul. Foul on number 14. There's a double foul on number 0, number 14. Possession ball, light ball. Dark ball pala, sorry. Double foul on number 0, number 14. Light and penalty situation. Chavez, natalong. 2 points by David Chavez. 78-62. Light your penalty. Dark your first team foul. 2 and 35 on the clock. 11. Setting the play for light. Kabuhay. Kumik. Ipantay sa ilalim. Tumira. 2 points by number 28. Makalalag. A football pass. Makalalag din. Kinuha baseline jump. Bounce. It's a bounce for Mr. Makalalag. 80-60 for our score. 2 and 12 on the game time. Kabuhan, setting the play for life. Ite, kinuha ng bola. Dumay lang sa ilalim. Number 13. 25 baseline jump. No good. Nakuha ni Mr. Cabral. Pinasa kay Makalalag. Pinasa kay Makalalag. Number 7. Pinalik kay Makalalag on the arc. No good. Rebound by 28. Napunta kay Ite. Ite now. Dumay. Nakuha ni Chavez. First on pieces.
Wala na second motion, may tawag. Ang tawag.
Push foul red. Number 14. Hitting foul. Penalty. Two shots. The Chavez for the charity line. Cool down, players. Cool down. Number 99 for 2. First ball, no good. 82-64. 1:38 on the clock for the third quarter. Last throw for number 99, no good. Rebound by 13. 82-64 our score. Tomiya, getting the play for life. Just a reason. It's a blocking foul. Who's foul now? Number 7. 7, blocking foul. 2 team foul for third. 1:15 on the clock. Ite, naglalabas ng bola. Pinasa sa number 45. 45 na on the run. Dumay. 2 point by Mr. Makalala. 82-64. Tomiya. Bringing the ball for life. 53 seconds. 17 on the shot clock. Tomiya Dumay. In and out. Nakuha number 28. There's no visit. Foul on number 99. Pushing foul. 28, shooting the goal. 3 team fouls for guard. First goal. Basket count. 82-65 our score. 28 last goal. Completed the 2-point play. 99, nagay kay Makalala. 43 seconds on the game time. Makalala setting the play for guard. Pinasa sa number 45 Makalala. A 3-point by Mr. Makalala. 85-66. 28 seconds on the game time. 28 to Michael Sovisen. Basket count. Foul number. Basket count on 45. Hitting foul. 28 for bonus shot. 85-68 our score. Last shot by 28. No good. Rebound na ball Makalala. Makalala, bring the ball for guard. Loses the ball but get by Mr. David Chavez. 12 seconds on the shot. Game timing shot lang. Makalala. Nakuha ni Mr. Nakulalag sa no good. Kaso ka ng bola. Foul number 35, pushing foul. No penalty. Penalty din. Na foul number 35, pushing foul. Number 14, shooting for 2. First draw. Counter. Basket count for number 14. Completed the two-point play for line. 85-70. Our final score for the end of the third quarter. 15-point lead by them. Our next game is Team Charlie versus Team Alpha. Our defending champion. Magandang hapon po sa lahat ng manonood. Live ball, our ball possession, our 85-70. Start of the fourth quarter. 16, pinasa sa ilalim. 2-point by Mr. Comilla. 85-72. Magnayo, nagbababa ng bola para sa guard. Pinasa kay Gia. Siya pick up for start. Unity Magnayo, pinasa sa gitna. Number 3, baseline. Salang, nagtapikan na po number 16. Light on the line now. 16, tumira sa 3. 3-point by Mr. Petate. 85-75. 10-point lead by guard. Gia, winning the ball. Number 5, tumira ng 3. No good. Nakuha na number 15. Light on the line now. Binigay sa number 16. Tumira ng 3. 3-point by Mr. Petate. 85-70 our score. Gia, nagpapapa ng bola para sa Azul. Gia, tumira ng 3. 3-point by Mr. Gia. Isa 88-78. Petate, napaibig ulit. No good. Nakuha number 3. Pinasa kay nakuha ni Magnayo. Binigay sa number 14. 14 now. No good. Rebound by Mr. Petate. Light on the run. Petate. Pinasa kay Ilagan. 2-point by Mr. Ronnie Ilagan. Isa 8-point lead by guard. Magnayo. Setting to play for guard. 10 minutes on the game time. Magnayo setting to play. Pinasa sa gitna kay Hernandez. Ibinalik ni Magnayo. Gia. Trumay sa baseline. It's the 2 air ball. Nakuha ni Comilla kay Petate. Petate now. 3-on-1 situation. Petate. Pinasa kay Ilagan. No good. Nakuha ni Magnayo. Magnayo. Pinasa kay Gia. Gia. On the drive. Pass to Hernandez. Boarding shot. Good for 2 points. 10-point lead. Ike. Bababa ng bola. Nakuha ni Plantosa. Napaibig sa 3 points. Air ball. Nakuha ni Gia. Nagmamadali. Gia on the run. Lumay. No good. Nakuha ni Hernandez. 2 points by Mr. Hernandez. Plantosa. Binigay kay Petate. On the corner. No good. Rebound na punta number 3. Pinasa kay Gia. Gia now. Binigay kay Talag. On the arc. No good. An air ball by number 14. Binigay kay Petate. Napaibig sa 3-point ulit. No good. Rebound by number 3. Now to Magnayo. Calling the play for guard. 8:39 on the clock. Magnayo. Binigay sa gitna. Hernandez. Gia on the 5. 3-point. Gia. 95-80. 8 and 26 on the clock. 18. Pinasa kay Petate. Pinasa kay Camilla. Grant Tosa na pwede sa 3-point. No good. Nakuha ni Magnaye. Nagmamadali. Pinasa na nalang bola. Pinigay number 14. No good. Ilagan. Tumatakbo ngayon. Ilagan. Takes the floater. No good. Nakuha ni Hernandez. Kinuha ni Kia. Kia ngayon. Tumira ulit ng 3. Bounce out. No good. Light ball. Time out. Line. Punta po sa gitna. Papanaw at nagsasa. Gia, baseline drive, nawalang bola. Also whistle. Line violation by Gia. Light ball. 7 and 10 on the game time. Petate. Pinasa sa ilalim ko niyang no good. Rebound by number 3. Binigay kay Gia. Gia, through Mike. Binigay kay Hernandez. Magnaye on the arc. No good. Rebound by number 18. Binigay sa number 14. No good. Rebound by 18. Binigay kay Petate. Petate. 3 on 1. Petate. 2-point by Mr. Petate. Gia. Binatang kaya ni Petate. Nakuha ni number 18. 18 from Mike. No good. There's a whistle. Light ball. Pwede na. Mandatory substitution. Mandatory. Hanggang port. Labas po. Next 6 pa po pwede. Kahit 10 seconds, nakaulit yung baksa. Basta labas po yung unang
Paano magsasabdil ngayon?
Pwede na ulit. Ano ba kaya after 10 seconds? Anong karton na po? 40 na. Yung unang lima, labas muna. Papalit ulit. Tapos 15 seconds, 5 times ulit.
Basta papalitan niyo po yung last 5 na nandun. Every 6 minutes po. At kahit po after 10 seconds kung gusto niyo ng palitan, basta mag-press. Ngayon po ay pwede na mag-stop. Kung gusto niyo po yung pagka-basket, mag-stop na. Castillo, there's a whistle. Foul on number 11. Substitution. Ayan. Foul on number 11. Holding foul. First team foul by Light. Castillo, binigay kay Makalalan. Miscommunication by Dart. Kabuhay, nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni Makalalan, pinasa sa Makalalan din. On the arc, Castillo, baseline. Setting the play for Dart. Makalalan. Pamatigan, tumira ng press. 3 points by Mr. James Pamatigan. 98-85 our score. 5 and 26 on the clock. Kabuhay, Brunei. Standing, there's a whistle. A line violation by the Chavez. Same ball. Sorry, bad ball. manipis error. Makalalag. Binigay kay Castillo. Kumit. Binigay kay Pamatigan. Makalalag. Brumay. Pinasa kay Vic Chavez. Makalalag. Pinasa kay Pamatigan. Tumira ng tres. No good. Rebound by number 16. Ibinato kay Ilagan. Drive. 2-point by Mr. Jeff Ilagan. 98-87. Balik. Brumay. Drive, 2-point by Mr. Castillo. There's a whistle. There's a whistle. One free throw for number 14. Sorry, 16 for life. Basket down. Light ball. One. Number 14, binasa sa ilalim ko via 2 points by Mr. Pumila. 102-90 our score. 10-point lead by Dart. Makalalag, setting the play for Dart. Pinasa kay Pamatigan. Miscommunication by Type. Ilagan ng Dalanaw. Jeff Ilagan, binigay sa number 28. Naka na number 16, 2-point by number 16. Balik. Makalalag, 3 points by Mr. Makalalag. 103-93. 3 and 41 on the clock. 14. Timeout. Dart. 103-94 our score. Goal. 103-94 our score. 3 and 30 on the clock. Makalalag. Makalalag. Pinasa kay Makalalag sa corner. No good. Rebound by 28. Ibinato kay Petate. Petate. Binigay kay Ilagan. Pull up jumper. No good. At Ite. 2-point by Ite. 103-96. 7-point lead by Dart. Makalalag. Makalalag 3-point by Makalalag. At 10-point lead by Dart. Kabuhay, Brumay. Uminit, there's a whistle. There's a foul. Foul on number 99. Hitting foul. 28 shooting for 2. 2 and 48 on our game time. First throw for number 28. Completed. Second throw for number 28. Completed at free throw. Pamatigan bringing the ball for Dart. 106-98. Makalalag. Pinasa sa ilalim. Castillo. Baseline jump. 2-point by Mr. Castillo. A 10-point lead again by the Dart. Ite. Nagmamatuloy. Baseline. Hagas by number 17. Ilagan. Tumira ng press. Ilagan. 3-point by Mr. Jeff Ilagan. A 10-point lead by Dart. 2 minutes on the clock. Makalalag. Pamatigan. No good. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minute players. Makalalag to make. Pinasa kay Pamatigan. Trumay. Bali on the baseline jump. Short. Nakuha ni Petate. Petate nagmamadali. 2 on 2. Tumira ng press. No good. Nakuha ni Makalalag. Castillo, setting the play for Dart. 1:35 on the clock. 7-point lead by Dart. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Castillo. Binigay kay Makalanan. On the arc. No good. Same ball. Last touch by Lai. 3-second shot clock. 3 seconds to shoot. Makalanan. Binigay kay Pamatigan. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by 28. To Pektate. 1:15 on the clock. Pektate on the arc. Tumira ng 3. 3-point Pektate. Sa 4-point lead. Only by the dart. 1-5 on the game time. A 4-point lead by dart. Makalanan setting the play. 10 on the shot clock. 55 on the game time. Makalanan out of bounds. 108 to 104 players. 51.5 seconds on the game time. Light ball. Only 4-point lead by the dart. 50 seconds on the game time. 45 seconds. 28 para sa penalty break number 45. Binaligay 28. Brunei. Nawala ng bola. 28 na. 5 on the shot clock. Naagaw na ang Mr. Makalanan. Makalanan. Brunei. Na-whistle. On-whistle. Number 49. 23 seconds. 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by Mr. Castillo. 17 seconds on the game time. Binigay kay Makalanan. 14 seconds. Kay Makalanan. Number 45. Binigay kay Dave Chavez. Now, nag-play ang bola. Pektate na. 5 seconds. 5. Nawala ang bola. Nahuli ni Chavez. Game time. 108 to 104. Our winner today, Dart. Wag po nang aalis po para sa picture off. Pausap na sa both teams. Pausap na.